Yes, dear. How are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
Yes, I'm also good. So, how are you feeling in front of camera today?
I'm feeling very good because I also faced camera, that types of camera also.
Okay. So, how many times you have faced camera in Howard?
In our approx 10 to 12 also.
10, 12 times you have faced the camera. So, how are you feeling right now? Feeling hesitation, nervousness,
No,
or not?
I'm not really hesitation, it's more I'm fully confident.
Feeling
this
confident.
time.
That's very good. So now I want to ask you some question. May I?
Yeah, well, you can ask.
Okay. So first of all, I want you to give introduction.
Okay, first of all, I'm Abhijit Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand. Recently, I live in Delhi with my brothers, and I have done my graduation with history honors. I just teach student this time, and I just preparing for examination for UPSC.
Okay. So Abhijit has told me like you are living in Delhi. You teach the students like.
Yeah.
Tell me, your name is Abhijit. What does your name mean?
Okay, like the means is that we have any types of areas, then that types you just want to earn all the things in a good manner.
Like something. That's good. I got your point. Okay. So tell me, what is the biggest challenge you have taken on this year?
I have the biggest challenge I have taken in this year to complete my syllabus of ancient, medieval, and modern history for preparing examination of UPSC.
Okay. What is the most interesting thing you have done or you have worked on lately?
Okay, the most interesting thing I have worked lately, I went to somewhere like I went to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar National Memory, and I saw many things there, and I just got knowledge about our Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So that also I just got knowledge from there.
That's very good. What Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar did for our country?
They make constitutions,
Okay,
and it's
very
also like very good things because we just also continuing by our constitutions, our country and our all nations, and every types of country also going by constitutions, and our constitution also good because many types of law on that in that constitutions, and this is make our nations good and perfect.
Very good. What do you miss the past from your past?
I miss my past, my childhood friend, because I just spend a lot of time with my childhood friend, and this time they are not with me and they are also in their work, so I just miss their all activities.
Okay. What piece of technology could you live without?
I can live without my laptop because I don't use many times for use laptop because I use also mobiles, and when I just upload any videos, then that time I use a laptop, so I can live without my laptop.
Okay, Abhijit, it was really good. Thank you so much.